It's not Ringo Camp, but we're in the car. Where are we heading to, boys?
I don't
So we got.
Where are we going?
We're going on a mystery tour. So
To where?
no, put it onto you.
To where?
So we're heading up to Alexandra. And we're heading up to Lookout, and then from Alexandra we're going to head up to Jamison. We're going to go to a pub in Jamison and have a beer. Well, Jack and I will have a beer. Yeah, I saw the finger, Jack. It's a long way to walk the back. These boys are very naughty. They're very naughty boys. Okay.
Can't read that, mate. That's 40. So just before you come up to the corner, brake to the speed that you need to go around the corner, and then just drive around. Don't be braking while you're turning, especially in the wet. Caravan. Thank you. Alright, go a bit faster. Can we more driving with you, Jack? No, it's not hard enough car. So just take foot off the brake. Start to slowly accelerate now. Go. Bang. There you go.
Doing well, Sammy boy.
Jackets.
I'll come back this side a bit more. Just look at like this corner of your car and see that you want it to be a little bit just back this side the same as that side. Wait. Where are we going now? Are we going to go right here and then right past?
Yep.
So at the roundabout you turn right.
Okay, so we are at it's called the Pines on the Jamison, the road from Jamison to Eildon, and we've got the car down here. We're making a fire. We got some beers. Jojo's in the bush. Jojo, come out of there. And the boys are building a fire. There is a river down this way. Hang on. And yeah, there's a very fast flowing river down there. Perfect spot for camping. Whatever else, we're going to have a fire, light the fire, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Right next to the water here, a gorgeous spot. Here's the boys coming down.
Oh, this is a skipping. Some skipping rocks.
And there's Jojo. Jojo, come on.
You know Cobram? Yeah. Yeah, you know like the river at Cobram?
Yeah.
River, the big one?
So the sun is going down, and now we're making food. Got our fire going, and we are making this. Slowly cooking, remember Tom? Oh, Looks delicious, doesn't it, Jack?
Oh, yes it does.
There's Jackie boy.
Very delicious.
And there's Sam. Just leave him on there, Tom. Oh. There we are. Sit down, relax. Take a load off. Now, Sam,
Yeah?
you have a very special thing in your hand, don't you?
What?
Your watch.
Alright, yeah.
Where'd you get this watch from?
Oh, I got it from a cruise shop.
A cruise shop?
Worth 13...
Cruise ship or a cruise shop?
Well, it's a cruise ship shop.
Ship shop.
So you're on the ship, but it's the shop of the ship. It's a cruise ship shop.
And did we meet the captain while we were buying that?
Actually, yeah, we did actually. I forgot we met the captain when we were buying this.
Yeah.
This is a $1,300 watch I got, and I got it for $600-700.
I was getting
It was in between those two. Yeah.
Duty-free bargain. We got it on the last day of the cruise. When you go on a cruise, you wait till the last day. Secret shopping tip. Oh, now we got flame grills. Look at that. Now he's going to burn them.
Yes.
Hang on, wait till they die down, then flip them over.
Oh wow, they're doing them. It's fast actually.
Oh, get that one in the middle, Tom. Quickly.
Yeah, quickly. Use the tongs as well, Tom. Use both hands.
Get that one. Get that one. Stop falling over.
Just do it. Stop trying to help.
Can we mix up the onions a little bit?
Yeah, that's probably a good idea. Use the
It's going to
tongs.
be a good burger.
Flame grilled. Right, Hungry Jacks. There's Jack. Hungry. And we're Hungry Jack.